Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. But before we get into that, I wanted to draw your attention to a website called Buy Me a Coffee. Now this will especially be useful for those of you that have just started creating content here on YouTube and you haven't yet hit the monetization criteria. Now it's a website where you can sign up and it's very easy to sign up, and I will leave a link in the description of this video that you can click on and it will take you to the website, and you basically sign up to it, and once you've signed up it gives you a link, and then you can put that link into your video descriptions, and it's a way of your subscribers, the way of your viewers, your fans, to be able to give you a tip essentially. It's called Buy Me a Coffee, and you can change it to whatever you like. So you can change it to buy me a whiskey, which is what I did. You can change it to buy me a piece of silver, buy me a cup of tea, whatever you want. You can basically change what comes up when people click the link. And it's a way for you to be able to put a link in your description that if your subscribers or people that watch your videos want to reach out and give you a tip, it's a way for them to be able to do that. Now there's many people that have got these smaller YouTube channels that haven't yet hit monetization, and people are dropping you emails or they're leaving comments on the comment section asking how they can donate, how they can contribute towards the growth of your channel. And I used to get that as well when I first started my channel. And that is what made me open it up in the first place, because people kept reaching out, asking me if they could donate, how they could send me a tip for the work and all the time that I put into my channel. And someone else showed me it, and it's a way, like I said, for people to be able to support you if they want to. So do click on that link that I will leave in the description below, sign up, make yourself your own Buy Me a Coffee link, and then what I'd like you to do is either email me or drop the link in the comment section of this video, and then what I'll do is I'll do a separate video shouting out the smaller channels that aren't yet monetized, that have made up their link, and I'll leave links in that video for people to head over and potentially donate to your channel if they want to. So like I said, sign up, let me know once you've signed up, and I will do a future video shouting out your link and potentially sending over some more subscribers your way, because like I've said in many videos, I like to reach down and pull up the smaller channels, because don't forget I was a smaller channel around about 8 months ago, and I still am a small channel in the grand schemes of YouTube, and I much more prefer watching the smaller channels content. I've said it all along, I don't like any of the channels once they get kind of mainstream and they start losing their way a little bit and they take on any sponsorship deals, and they almost just cater towards what they think people want to see instead of catering to what they want to produce in terms of their content. So I've always liked to support the kind of smaller, more raw channels, especially the ones that are just starting out. I love it when I stumble across a channel that's got like 20 subscribers or 10 subscribers and they've just picked up their first 1 ounce of silver. It really brings heart warmth to me to see people getting involved in stacking, and not just getting involved in stacking, but also creating content and putting it out there to help educate other people to also get involved in stacking. So like I said, sign up, drop your link once you've created it in the comment section of this video, and I'll do a video in the future shouting out your channel and sharing your link. So let's get straight into this video. I've got my stack of crystals here. I don't think I've ever showcased this before on the channel. These are all obviously legit crystals, and I've put them all in this nice cauldron, if you like. And obviously they're all real crystals, because I do like to stack crystals as well, not just gold and silver. I do like to stack crystals. Now they're all over the floor. People are going to get them stuck in their foot. That didn't go to plan, did it? Pick them up. So yeah, there we go, there's my stack of crystals. Let's push that to one side and let's get straight into the unboxing. I'm going to make a little bit more room. Let's move that silver over there, let's move that over there. This literally just arrived today. I think the postman attempted to deliver it while I was on holiday. Still finding these on the floor now. And yeah, I missed it. So it's only just arrived, but it's been in the post office while I've been away on holiday. Very, very excited to see how this looks in the flesh. Get my invoice out of the way. Well, that's handy. I can reuse that. Look. Brand new Jiffy bag there. Nice bonus. Here we go. So this is the Coronation Sovereign. I decided to pick it up in a blister pack just because I think it adds that extra layer of protection, that extra way of authenticating it in the future when you come to sell. And I just think it looks really, really nice in these blister packs. I think it's a really nice way to preserve them, present them, and I think it will hold a slight premium in the future when you come to sell. Now let's have a look how the crowned portrait looks on this sovereign. Ready? There we go. Really, really nice. Now it is a little bit glazed, and that is simply because this has a layer, a film layer on there. Now you can take that layer off, but I choose to keep that on just to add to resellability in the future. I do think it will help maintain a little bit of the premium, because you do pay a slight premium when you're buying things in blister packs. But yeah, look at that. Really, really nice piece of gold. I didn't actually go for any of the 1 ounce Coronation pieces, and that is simply because it doesn't currently fit my stacking goals and my stacking budget. My main goals are stacking silver, and I'm currently quite happy with my gold holding in terms of weight. There we go. So that's going to go into the deep stack. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.